Today we will let you know how to get Dubai Golden Visa and new UAE new visa policies. The United Arab Emirates has recently broadened the categories of the Golden Visa and made considerable adjustments to the Golden Residence Scheme to ease the eligibility requirements and expand the categories of those eligible to benefit from the program. The validity of this visa has been expanded to 10 years across the types of Golden Visa categories. The categories of persons who qualify for the UAE Golden Visa are business investors, business entrepreneurs, extraordinary talents, scientific researchers, outstanding students and graduates, and talented workers. Under the new regulations, those awarded the Golden Residence can sponsor their immediate family members, regardless of the ages of their children and spouses. In addition, no restriction is placed on the total number of workers sponsored under domestic support services. The Golden Visa holders and the members of their families are now granted 6 months grace period, which is an increase for the earlier 3 months after the visa expires or is cancelled. During the 6 months grace period, you can either exit the country or change your status to qualify for another type of resident visa. For more interesting informative news, keep watching our YouTube channel Info News Diary and subscribe our channel. Thank you.